Right is right and left is left. This is how I go life, not knowing the right choice. Right is right, how should die right? Now what happened to me is not at all so right. I'm not going against destiny. I'm not telling her the one and me. I'm just saying that we are here, feeling the fear of being all around. We're trying to be so strong, getting along. All the things that were not right, not right at all.